This is Mia from Mia More Life, and I just wanted to pop on real quick for National Garage Sale Day because my apartment complex had a garage sale where all the apartments put out some stuff, and I just took a lap around and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So the first thing I got was this magnetic mirror. It's like a locker mirror. And these super cute puffy heart stickers. And they're supposed to be 25 cents each, but since I was not prepared to actually buy anything, I got these for free. So that was a bonus. Next, I got some frames with some mirrors. Probably see my setup there. Alright, so I got 1, 2, and 3. Originally I just got them for the frames, but I really like the 2 mirrors. And these 3 were $3, so $1 each. And you can see the original, at TJ Maxx, the markdown price was $9.99. Wonder what the original price was. Oh, compare it $15, so that's good. These 2 are really nice. So, $3 free. And then next, I found the sweetest lady who happened to be same size, clothes and everything, shoes as me. And I got just this pink bag. I thought it was cute, and if I don't use it, I can definitely clean it up and use the studs and the fabric. So I got that, and then this brown little satchel, and I'm guessing this is from Kohl's because I have one that's super similar. Okay, yeah, it is. It's a Marona, and I have this exact same bag in a different color, and I love it. So I'm gonna wash this. Pretty excited about that. And then I normally never buy shoes, and I really can't wear heels. These are more decorative than anything else. But how cute are these? Oh my god, I fell completely in love. So these were $1, and these 2 were also $1. And then she had 2 matching, what are they called? Lamps without the shades. And I thought these were just adorable. And so the more you bought, the more you saved, as is true with most garage sales and estate sales. So I got these 2 matching lamps, a pair of adorable shoes, and 2 purses, and that was all $7. She also gave me one of these big zipper, like what you put duvets and stuff in. And she gave me that, and this mesh throw that I could wrap everything in order to carry it. So that was exciting. And then my #1 favorite item of the day for $2. Look at this piggy bank. Oh my god, it's gigantic. This is my hand, this is the piggy's face. I am in love with this guy, and got him for $2. I wish I had money to put in here, which I don't right now. I think there's 1 penny in here, so that must be good luck. But I don't know what I'll do with it, but I might just leave him all white. I might decorate him and maybe put some date nights in here. Then when we need a date, we can pop it open. So that's my plan. right now, but I do need to name him. So, if you have any ideas for names, leave them in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like the haul videos. And if you were also celebrating Garage Sale Day, then let me know what you found. Leave me some pictures or tag me in your hauls at Mia More Life. And that's it. Thanks, guys.